Samsung Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus, everything you need to know. Samsung has launched the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus, featuring cutting-edge technology, AI capabilities, and premium design. These smartphones deliver top-tier performance, catering to gamers, content creators, and professionals alike. The Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus feature Samsung's custom processor, offering 39% faster CPU processing for seamless multitasking, 25% improved GPU performance for gaming, and 41% faster AI performance. Vulkan optimization and real-time ray tracing provide ultra-smooth gameplay and immersive visuals. The Galaxy S25 series enhanced processor design boosts energy efficiency, enabling up to 30 hours of video on S25 Plus and 29 hours on S25, reducing battery anxiety significantly. The Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus feature vibrant AMOLED displays, 6.2 inches for S25 and 6.7 inches for S25 Plus. Enclosed in a light aluminum frame, they offer durability with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and an IP68 rating. Colors include navy, icy blue, mint, silver shadow, blue-black, coral red, and pink gold. Capture stunning photos with ProVisual Engine, featuring a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, 50-megapixel wide-angle with 2x optical zoom, 10-megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom, and 32-megapixel selfie camera. Key features include 10-bit HDR video, enhanced noise removal, object-aware engine, and AI-based filters.
Go to GearBrain for more information.